أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا صدق الله العلي العظيم. Everyone acts according to their shakila. That surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path.
In Surah An-Nisa, verse 100, Allah says, "Whoever goes forth from his house flying to Allah and His Apostle, and then death overtakes him, his reward is indeed with Allah, and Allah is forgiving and merciful." At face value, this verse seems very simple, that whoever travels towards Allah and His Messenger and passes away in the process, his reward is with Allah. However, when looking into this verse further, it can get quite confusing. What type of travel does God mean? Is it physical, or is it a different type of travel? In reality, the type of travel it refers to is a spiritual type of travel for the soul, one that we will be talking about in this episode today, what that journey is, and how to go about it. First off is preparation. Before a physical journey, if someone sees you, they can see that you are about to travel. You have a suitcase, passport, backpack, among other essential items. In the same way, here, if you are making a spiritual journey towards Allah and His Prophet, it should be obvious and made clear you are going to fly towards Him. The journey in this world is a constant journey in a person's relationship with Allah. Your home is your familiar place. To travel, you have to leave home or leave that familiar place. Imam Khomeini says, when you travel in the path of Allah, you are leaving your ego, your nafs, and yourself behind. You cannot simultaneously travel towards Allah and your own ego. You need to choose only one direction. Now, why does Allah say hijrah towards Allah and His Prophet? Allah is the one we are traveling to, and He is the one who sent down the wahi that we need to follow. The Rasul is the application of that wahi, how to do the travel. In essence, we follow Allah's guidance through the Prophet's application. The next part of the ayah says, "Then death overtakes him." This is not physical death. This is the death of the ego. Through this journey, you achieve death of the ego and complete obedience towards Allah. First, recognize this is a process. It's not an overnight pill. The reward is literally in the process. Your ego is like your home that keeps you trapped from what is out there, as stated before. So why do you beautify this prison and not leave this ego and head towards Allah instead? A prime example is Imam Hussein, one who absolutely journeyed to Allah. He never even considered staying in the comfort of his ego and not going out in the path of Allah. People would tell the Imam, "Don't go, stay here, it's okay, forget it." The Imam would reply, "I reject this notion." He knew that the true goodness lies in journeying towards Allah. The others who also wanted to just journey to Allah stuck to the Imam. They left their homes, put themselves in the most uncomfortable position, gave up their lives to taste that journey to Allah and that reward that comes with it.
يا حسين 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 يا حسين 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 يا حسين حسين حسين